Finally, our drunk coders implemented the most important feature to the AI. John, please translate, "Where is my friend?"
¿Dónde está mi amiga?
What did you say, John?
We can't hear you, John.
¿Dónde está mi amiga?
It seems like the system has some kind of glitch.
Yeah. So, I don't know if John has anything more to say.
Maybe you just ignored John.
Detecting small data packages and weird bit sequences, which seems to be encoding a strange low-resolution video stream.
That's totally important to the story, but at this moment, let's start the final Compo block for today. Get ready for the Compo!
Just to make a crowd, just go.
Okay, now I'm hearing myself in my
Yeah, we're there.
Hi, great. So yes, coming up, the Amiga intro. I hear we have about 1,800 viewers on Twitch.
Yeah.
What's up, everybody?
And roughly that number of entries.
No, we don't.
Hello, camera.
Yes, Frankie has joined us.
Yes. Hello, Frankie.
Hey there! Finally, I made it.
We don't want to know. First one, by Spaceballs, called Nightlight. Props to Slummy. A500, the way it should be. I'll explain for those of you on Twitch that do not know what an A500 is later. Right now, we have a demo to watch. Come to Norway, we have demos.
It's completely worth the source code.
Yeah, you should totally go to Soul Screen. Evolution by Knockoler. We felt kind of nostalgic this time around. I don't know if this is A5. Yep, that's that isn't A500. It's 1200.
Oh yeah, that's some old names out of retirement there.
Okay, I also heard
Enigma hardwired facet in one.
facet. And I know Firefox is okay. Next is Kublai by Focus Design, Coriel, Optima, Optic, and Tail. Those are the guys that did it. Props.
Big up.
That was the ever reliable Focus Design there.
Yes, it was. Now, I do have a question, Frankie, really
Sure.
quickly.
Yeah.
The limit was 64K, not 40K, right?
Yeah, it's 64K in a few days. We've recovered that from PC. Although I would prefer 40K because that's more Amiga. Amiga intros 40Ks,
40K.
PC intro 64Ks.
Yes.
Live with it.
Oh, hey, this is an A500 demo. So,
Oh yes, I have heard people recording it. It's supposed to be very decadent.
well,
Amiga. very decadent.
And for those of you who are not familiar with the Amiga, that last demo was done on a machine that was made 30 years ago, or 31.
Yeah, 1985 is when it was designed. This hardware board chipset. It's designed it was came on the market in 85, 86.
Yeah,
and was then popularized with the 500 in 87.
It's all the 30-year anniversary stuff this year, though, isn't it?
Well, no, that was last year.
Was it last year?
It was either last year or the year before. I can't remember.
Yeah, but yes, as I said during the Meteorics, it's like this is a 20th anniversary of Mega Symposium in '97, which like